a splash of history. Apple cider vinegar through the ages. Apple cider vinegar. It's been a staple in kitchens for centuries, used for everything from pickling to cleaning. But did you know this humble liquid also boasts a long history as a health tonic? Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, used it for its supposed healing properties. Fast forward to today, and apple cider vinegar is experiencing a resurgence in popularity, lauded for its potential health benefits. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and explore the science behind this ancient remedy. In today's fast-paced world, many of us seek natural and holistic ways to enhance our well-being. We're bombarded with information about processed foods, environmental toxins, and the potential side effects of synthetic medications on our bodies. It's no wonder there's a growing movement towards embracing the power and benefits of natural remedies. People are taking control of their health, seeking solutions that align with a holistic and balanced approach to well-being. From digestive discomfort to blood sugar imbalances, many common health issues plague modern society. While conventional medicine plays a vital role, many individuals are turning to natural remedies to complement their health regimens. These remedies, often derived from plants and time-tested practices, offer a gentler approach to addressing health concerns. Apple cider vinegar, with its long history of use, has become a popular choice for those seeking natural ways to support their well-being. Section 4. Apple cider vinegar. Unveiling potential health benefits. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a compound that may offer various health benefits. Studies suggest that acetic acid might help regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly relevant for individuals managing diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Furthermore, some research indicates that apple cider vinegar could play a role in weight management by promoting satiety, reducing appetite, and potentially boosting metabolism. Additionally, apple cider vinegar's antimicrobial properties might contribute to a healthy gut microbiome, supporting digestion and overall digestive health. Section 5. My 7-day apple cider vinegar experiment, a personal journey. Intrigued by the potential benefits of apple cider vinegar, I decided to embark on a personal experiment. I had read numerous articles and heard various testimonials about its supposed health benefits, ranging from improved digestion to increased energy levels. For 7 days, I incorporated a tablespoon of organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into my daily routine, diluting it in water before consuming it. Each morning, I would prepare my mixture and drink it on an empty stomach, hoping to maximize its effects. While it wasn't a dramatic transformation, I observed subtle yet positive changes. My skin seemed a bit clearer, and I felt a general sense of well-being that was hard to ignore. My digestion felt smoother, and I noticed a slight reduction in bloating. Meals seemed to sit better, and I didn't experience the usual discomfort after eating. Additionally, I felt a sense of increased energy levels throughout the day. Tasks that usually drained me felt more manageable, and I found myself more motivated to stay active. While this personal anecdote isn't conclusive evidence, it piqued my curiosity to explore further research on apple cider vinegar's effects. I began to delve deeper into scientific studies and expert opinions, eager to understand the full scope of its potential benefits and any possible drawbacks. Section 6. A balanced perspective miracle cure or healthful aid. It's essential to approach claims about apple cider vinegar's health benefits with a balanced perspective. While it has been touted for its potential to aid in weight loss, improve digestion, and even regulate blood sugar levels, these claims need to be examined critically. While research suggests its potential in various areas, such as antimicrobial properties and antioxidant effects, the evidence is not always conclusive. It's crucial to remember that apple cider vinegar is not a magic bullet or a replacement for conventional medical treatment. It should be seen as a supplementary aid rather than a cure-all solution. Additionally, consuming large amounts of undiluted apple cider vinegar can irritate the throat and erode tooth enamel, leading to potential dental issues and discomfort. So moderation and proper dilution are key. Diluting it in water or incorporating it into meals can help mitigate these risks. As with any dietary change or supplement, it's important to consider the overall context of your diet and lifestyle. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider, who can offer personalized advice based on your health history and current conditions. Especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, professional guidance ensures that you make safe and informed choices. Section 7. Join the conversation. Share your natural wellness journey. This is a space where we come together to share our experiences, learn from each other, and grow in our understanding of natural wellness. The world of natural remedies is vast and constantly evolving. From herbal supplements to essential oils, there are countless options to explore. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's okay. Each individual's journey is unique, and it's important to find what resonates with you. The key is to approach these remedies with an open mind, informed by scientific understanding and guided by personal experience. Research and personal experimentation go hand in hand. Have you tried apple cider vinegar for its health benefits? It's known for aiding digestion and boosting energy levels. What natural remedies have you found helpful in your wellness journey? Whether it's a specific herb, a dietary change, or a mindfulness practice, your insights are valuable. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and continue exploring the fascinating world of natural health and well-being. Together, we can build a community that supports and inspires each other on this path to natural wellness.